channel. It's your girl Ajala, and today I am back with another hair tutorial, and we are getting into a natural style. I really wanted to put some two-strand twists in my hair. I wore my fro for a couple days, let my hair breathe. My hair has grown so much. The shrinkage is crazy. My hair is super like thick and full. I feel like the camera doesn't even do it justice. Like, you gotta see it in person. But we gonna get right into this video. Stay tuned if you want to see how I achieve this look, and like, comment, and subscribe. So the first product that I had used, so I had just washed my hair, and that is my moisturizer. I have not yet put it out yet, but if you guys want me to drop that product, let me know. But I put that on my hair to moisturize my hair, and then I went over with some of our butter and I just coated that moisture in. And so my hair is freshly washed. When I do styles, protective styles, I don't know about other people, but I'm going to moisturize my hair. Like, ain't no way I'm just going to wash my hair and then blow dry it and put a style in. Like, my hair is going to get really dry and I don't have time. But this edge comb and a little bit of beeswax. I really don't use beeswax like that, but I didn't want to put anything like super gunky kind of like in my hair. Something that was like super thick. Like, edge wax is a little greasy a little bit, because I don't really like super neat twists and stuff like that. I like the little frizzy look a little bit. Right now I'm just parting my hair, so I'm putting it in 2 sections in the front and then 2 sections in the back, and then I'm gonna just work my way up, and y'all gonna eventually see how I do this. So I'm gonna stop talking for a little bit, play y'all a little music, and get into it.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus?
So I put my hair into 4 sections at the bottom. I will be using this free tress hair as the hair I'm going to be installing. Really, the same length I did the twist is like the same length as my natural hair. Really, I just used this because I wanted it a little bit more fuller. I really like using this hair because it matches my natural texture, so it won't slip out. It's easy to like get a little matted in with my hair versus like a water wave type of texture. Like, the curl is cute with the water wave, but I feel like it slips easier. My hair don't always fully blend with it, and I just like the more natural look too. I feel like the silky could look a little fake sometimes. So I'm gonna be taking one of those sections and splitting it in half, basically using only like half of one section because I don't want them super thick. So I put a little beeswax on there just to smooth it out a little bit. I'm starting these twists out like a box braid, so I will be having the knot. This isn't really a box braid type of tutorial, but as you guys can see, I pretty much put my real hair in between the fake hair and I just started braiding. That's the way that I do it. It works for me. It's not too tight. I don't really like super tight styles like this. I just braided it down a couple times and then I started twisting. And when I'm twisting my hands and then I'm doing it a little fast so you probably can't see. Later on in this video, you'll definitely catch what I'm talking about. After braiding it all the way down to the end, I pretty much cut off what I didn't want as far as the length because I wanted them to be shoulder length.
Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone and you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever come, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, I know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Baby, focus. Can't you?
Also, I'm not sure if I mentioned or not, but I definitely didn't care too much about having super straight parts. As long as you could see that I had square parts, I wasn't really tripping. Like throughout my head, that's all I made sure of is that you can at least see a part. But if it wasn't super straight or a hair was out of place, it wasn't a big deal to me because they're not like super sleek anyways. Like I really am going for the supernatural look.
Split mind, no need to decide when. Straightforward, eyes on the climbing. Unside, no man at the climbing. Virgin bitches in my third trimester. Shift ties, they tell me you lying. Don't care, just lay up beside me. Hang time, chasing a rewind.
So I'm finishing up the last section of my hair, and on this side I'm repeating the same amount of parts on this side as I did on the opposite side of my head. And I only used one pack of the hair that I showed you guys in the beginning. When I got to the last twist, I used the last piece of hair. So if you're thinking about doing the same twist as me, I would definitely recommend maybe getting one extra pack. I barely made it, but it also just depends on the thickness of the twist, how many parts, how long you want it. But for me specifically in this video, I only used one pack. So this is the final look. They came out really cute, to be honest. Like they're not super tight at the root. It's a little frizzy. It's the perfect amount of thickness, perfect length, just how I wanted it. I did these on myself before, many times, and it never fails. It lasts me a good amount of time. And if they do get loose or anything, I can just repair them really quick. I'm able to put them up in a ponytail whenever because they're not so tight. It honestly just feels like my real hair. Like I didn't add a whole lot of extra hair. So it's not a whole lot of extra weight. It's just really natural and they're not stiff. Like they just perfect. Like this is the perfect style. I noticed that my hair grows a lot in this style too, but anyways, if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.